This video shows how to link to a database in FlexMail. FlexMail does not change existing databases, it only links to it. FlexMail can link to all industry format databases like Access, DBase, Excel, HTML, XML, delimited and fixed length files, as well as ODBC links in any other format. The database in this example is in Excel format. We can link to the file by clicking either Excel or the More button under the Link External Data section. In this example, my spreadsheet's first row contains the field names, so I selected this checkbox, First row contains field names, and then I clicked Finish. You can now see the data is linked to FlexMail and can be viewed via the data sheet.